Hello students, welcome to the PVP initiative video for online exam preparation CBSE 12th standard subject physics. This video contains important definitions for chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance. These questions generally contain 1 mark in the examination. In order to get full marks, the student has to write the exact definition that the examiner is expecting. So, let's begin our study of our chapter. First definition, potential energy. Potential energy of charge Q at a point is the work done by the external force in bringing the charge Q from infinity to the point. Next definition, electrostatic potential. The electrostatic potential at any point in a region with electrostatic field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Equipotential surface. An equipotential surface is a surface with a constant value of potential at all points on the surface. Potential energy. Work done in bringing a charge Q from infinity to the point P in the external field QV is known as stored potential energy in the charge. Definition of 1 eV, that is 1 electron volt. If an electron with charge Q is equal to E is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is accelerated by a potential difference of delta V, that is change in the volt, by 1 volt. It would gain energy of Q multiplied by delta V equals to 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 joules. This unit of energy is defined as 1 electron volt or 1 eV. Next definition, electrostatic shielding. Any charge and field configuration outside any cavity in a conductor remains shielded from outside electric influence. The field inside the cavity is always zero. This is known as electrostatic shielding. Next definition, dielectric. Non-conducting substances are known as dielectric. Next definition, polar molecule. A polar molecule is one in which the centers of positive and negative charges are separated. Such molecules have a permanent dipole moment. Next definition, non-polar molecule. In a non-polar molecule, the centers of positive and negative charges coincide. The molecule then has no permanent or intrinsic dipole moment. Next definition, linear isotropic dielectric. The substance in which the induced dipole moment is in the direction of the field and is proportional to the field strength are called linear isotropic dielectrics. Next definition, polarization. The dipole moment per unit volume is called polarization. The next definition, electric susceptibility. Electric susceptibility is a ratio of polarization density to the electric field. Next definition, capacitor. A capacitor is a system of two conductors separated by an insulator. Next definition, dielectric strength. The maximum electric field that a dielectric medium can withstand without breakdown is called its dielectric strength. Next definition, fringing of the field. For plates with finite area, electric field is not uniform near the outer boundaries of the plates. The field lines bend outward at the edges, an effect called fringing of the field. Next definition, permittivity of medium. The product epsilon 0 K is called the permittivity of the medium and is denoted by epsilon. Next definition, dielectric constant. The ratio of permittivity of substance in medium to permittivity of the same substance in vacuum is known as dielectric constant.